Let us see what is a polymer. So when we see the introduction, the word polymer is derived from the Greek word poly, which means mers, which are units or parts. The polymers are widely used in automobiles, defense, electrical goods and computer components. What is a monomer? Monomer is a micromolecule which combines with each other to form a polymer. So let us see an example: ethylene, vinyl chloride and styrene. What is a polymer? Polymers are macromolecules which are formed by the repeated linkage of large number of small molecules. So ethylene is a monomer which forms a polymer called polyethylene. So what are polymers? So they are combinations of large monomers. So it is an example which shows the ethylene. Let us see what is polymerization. Polymerization is a process in which large number of small molecules combine to form a big molecule with or without elimination of small molecules like water. Degree of polymerization. The number of repeating unit in a polymer chain is known as degree of polymerization. So which is expressed in the equation molecular weight of the polymer divided by molecular weight of the monomer. So when we consider 3 molecules of ethylene, the degree of polymerization is 3. So functionality, the number of bonding sites in a monomer is termed as functionality. So ethylene has 2 since it is a bifunctional monomer. Similarly, when we consider hexamethylene diamine, it has functionality of 2. Similarly, ethylene glycol, which has 3 functionality. When we consider the nomenclature or types of polymers, homopolymers, which are polymers which contain same types of monomers, example polythene, polypropylene, etc. And a copolymer, which is also called as heteropolymer. It is a polymer which contain more than one type of monomer. So for example, nylon, terylene, etc. Homochain polymer. So it is a polymer in which the main chain of the polymer is made of same type of atoms. Example polythene, polyvinyl chloride, etc. Heterochain polymer. If the main chain of the polymer is made of different atoms, it is called heterochain polymer. Example terylene, nylon, etc. Stereospecific polymer, which is also called as tacticity. So the orientation of monomeric units or functional groups in a polymer molecule can take place in an orderly or disorderly manner with respect to the main chain. It is called tacticity. So the tacticity is classified into 3 types, which is isotacticity, syndiotacticity and atracticity. So the picture shows the different kinds of tacticity. So isotacticity, where the functional group is on the same side. Syndiotactic polypropylene, so where the functional groups are found in the alternate fashion, whereas atacticity, which is found in random manner. On the basis of source, polymers are classified as natural polymers and synthetic polymers. So the natural polymers are obtained from nature, example rubber, silk and wool. Synthetic polymers which are obtained from the laboratory, for example plastics. On the basis of structure, it is classified as linear polymer, branched chain polymer, cross-linked polymer and 3-dimensional network polymer. The picture depicts the classification based on the structure. On the basis of the method of synthesis, polymers are classified as addition polymers, condensation polymers. Addition polymers are polymers which are formed by addition of monomers which have double or triple bond. Example ethylene. Condensation polymer which are formed by the condensation of monomers which have functional groups. For example, formation of nylon 6,6. Based on the molecular forces, Polymers are classified as thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics are formed by addition polymerization. Here the chains are held together by weak forces of attraction. It can be remolded. It has high melting density and tensile strength. Similarly, thermosetting polymers are formed by condensation polymerization. The chains are held together by strong covalent bond and it can be remolded easily. It also has low melting point density and tensile strength.